name is Zainal. I'm from 1BM. I want to present PCB design project. This is my group team member. First, Abdul Hakim bin Muhammad Nurizal, then Jul Janggut Hong, Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad, Muhammad Dini Ashraf bin Kamarul Bahrain, Muhammad Amir Hakim bin Zainal, dan Muhammad Arif bin Rusli. This is my team project. DC boost converter 5 volt to 12 volt. This circuit is a 5 volt to 12 volt boost converter circuit using an IC LM2577, which is the main component that control this circuit. In this circuit, there are several components, namely capacitor, resistor, diode, and inductor. This is introduction of PCB and easy ADA. PCB printed circuit board, or the short form is PCB, an important component in today's electronic world. Printed circuit board are used to connect and carry electronic component. Electronic components are installed on it according to the design fit by the circuit board designer. The designer couple connection connect all the electric components to create an electronic system called the print circuit board assembly (PCBA). The basic circuit board consists of two main layers, namely the insulation electrical layer and the conductive layer. Fiberglass is commonly used as an insulating material, better known under the FR4 code, while the main conductive material is the copper material. This is about the easy ADA. Easy ADA and a powerful online PCB design tool through featuring part and PCB service powered by LC-AC. Easy ADA is easier and powerful online PCB tool allow electronic engineer and doctor, student, makers, and enthusiasts to design and share. This is a design tool integrate LC-AC component, catalog, and that help user to save time to make their ideas into real product. Thank you.
My name is Joel Janggut Hong. I am one of the member team. So today I will present the easy EDA PCB flowchart and step how to do a flowchart. So for the easy EDA PCB flowchart, this is the, as you can see, this is the flowchart. So flowchart to do the PCB in easy EDA. First thing, open website and open editor. This is the website, https easyeda.com editor, and then project assist, and then select create a new project, then create new schematic, and then SCH lips or PCB lips assist, and then create new, and then schematic capture, and then click simulate, and then the other side is simulation success, and then we will convert schematic that my team made to convert to the PCB schematic that my team has made, me and my team made lah, in easy EDA. After we convert to PCB, we adjust nicely in the PCB, so that we make nice circuit, and then after that we go PCB layout, then DLC check. DLC check is to check the wiring is the circuit is correct or not, and then we go to photo view to check the circuit in a PCB is good or not lah. And then after we finish photo view, me and my team export to Gable, and then Gable preview. We also export it to boom list, and then before we decide to buy my project, me and my team decide to buy lah for this project, and to buy the component is in https lcsc.com. Then we will export, pick and place file, then PCB fabricate and component assembly at easyeda.com to order the board for each one of us, and then we also go go to click website https jlcpcb.com for apply the component, and then next one is easy EDA ship the PCB to you. Next one is step-by-step flowchart. So step 1, find circuit. Step 2, create schematic. Step 3, create PCB circuit. Step 4, make circuit test. Step 5, export and buy PCB design. Thank you, that's all from me.
Hello, my name is Ariel Rosli. Today I want to explain about our Gantt chart. So on 10 until 15 January, we've been briefing by our lecturer, Sir Sulaiman, and do a group formation and do a division of factor within the group. And on 10 until 17 January, we create a schematic diagram and convert it to PCB. On 18 until 22 January, we test our circuit project, and then on 25, we convert the schematic file into global file and make an order. And then on 18 until 25 January, we buy the component for our project, and then we solder the component into our project. And then on 10 until 17 of January, we make Gantt chart and make a report. On 25 January, we submit the report, and on the 22 of January until 24 January, we edit the video and upload the video. Okay, that's it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Hakim, and today I will inform you about the component used in our circuit and their function. So let's see. So here we have LM2577 IC. Their function as a step up component. For example, if our output is at 12 volt set but our input is less, then this component will be a step up to produce a 12 volt output. So here is a capacitor. So what is a capacitor? A capacitor is an electronic component used to store energy in the form of electrical energy, just like a battery that also serves to store energy. However, capacitors are designed to change at a very fast rate, in contrast to batteries that are designed to be discharged at a slow rate for long period of time. So this is function of a capacitor. A capacitor is an electronic component that stores and releases electricity in a circuit. It also passes alternating current without passing direct current. So here is a inductor component. So the function is, an inductor has the function of developing electromotive force in the direction that reduces fluctuation when a fluctuating current flow, and storing electric energy as magnetic energy. So that is inductor function. So next, it is IM5821 diode component. So the function is control the electronic change and can be used in polarity protection application, used in DC-DC converter and logic circuit. So this is a diode function. So next, so this is resistor component. The component function. A resistor is a passive two-terminal electrical component that implement electrical resistance as a circuit element. So in electronic circuit, resistors are used to reduce current flow, adjust signal level to divide voltage, bias active element, and terminate transmission line among other use.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad bin Ashraf. I'm going to explain about this circuit. Okay, for this circuit name is 5 volt to 12 volt boost converter circuit using IC LM2577, which is the main component controlling this circuit. In this circuit, there are several components, namely capacitor, resistor, diode, inductor, and the main controlling is LM2577. Okay, for the capacitor, we use 3 different values. For C1, for capacitor C1, we use 0.33 UF. For C2, we use 0.1 UF. C3 we use 680 UF. For resistor, we use 3 different value. For R1 is 2.2K, R2 2K, and R3 17.5K. Okay, now we test this circuit. We use a battery and for output we can check which we use a multimeter. Okay, now you can see we already connect input. Now we check the voltage. Okay, the voltage is higher than 5 volt. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad from 1BEM class. Today I want to present about conclusion. For this lab, we have learning how to create a schematic circuit using PCB design software, develop a touch hole PCB type and how to generate a graphic file for PCB measuring in easy EDA. Thank you for our lecturer and team member who have helped in complete our PCB project. Thank you.